Hello everyone, I'm Juliana Marie Ecabizares. Pop quiz. Can you name one Filipino scientist? Let's be honest, most of us can't. We often overlook the incredible individuals who have contributed a lot to our society. Today, I'm excited to introduce you to one of them, Dr. William G. Padolina. His groundbreaking work in chemistry, biotechnology, and science policy has profoundly impacted the Philippines and beyond. Born on November 15, 1946 in Pasay City, Dr. Padolina displayed academic excellence early on, graduating magna cum laude from UPLB with a degree in agricultural chemistry. He later pursued his PhD at the University of Texas as a Fulbright High Scholar, specializing in phytochemistry, a field that studies chemicals derived from plants. Dr. Padolina's contributions to science are truly remarkable. He discovered bioactive compounds in Philippine medicinal plants, which have anti-allergy and insecticidal properties. This underscores the potential for biodiversity for medicine and agriculture. He also developed new products from coconut fatty acids, now used in cosmetics and detergents, strengthening our vital coconut industry. One of his most significant achievements is his work on golden rice, a genetically modified rice enriched with beta-carotene to fight vitamin A deficiency, a major global health problem till this day. Beyond research, Dr. Padolina has been a leader in promoting biotechnology and science policy. As Secretary of Science and Technology, he launched programs that advance agriculture, manufacturing, and education through technology. Dr. Padolina's work has had a profound impact on society. His research improved food security by advancing agricultural practices, while his leadership as DOST Secretary promoted science as a tool for national development. His contributions have earned him prestigious awards like the Philippine Legion of Honor and the Asian Meritorious Service Award, testaments to his dedication to science and public service. These are his awards from 1985 to 2015. What a truly remarkable person. Dr. Podlina often reminds us that science is not just about discoveries, it is about making a difference in people's lives. He believes that science can empower nations by addressing global challenges while uplifting those most in need. In summary, pioneering research in chemistry and biotechnology, leadership roles that advance science policy, lasting contributions to science through innovation. Dr. William G. Padolina's work exemplifies how science can drive progress and improve lives. Let us continue to celebrate scientists like him who inspires us to use knowledge for the betterment of society. So these are the sources. Thank you and goodbye.